In Affinity Photo, you can create all kinds of amazing designs using the history panel, and you can use it with text as well as images and much more. Here's some text I just created using the artistic text tool. You can modify the text. I've gone for something nice and colourful. And all I'm going to do is simply move the text using the move tool. So here, just drag it, just reposition it, and you'll notice over here in the history panel, you can find that in the window menu and history. Each and every move just captured. So all you see on the screen, that's stored away. Now, unfortunately, you can't actually see a visual design of that. You can if you go to advanced, but I found a few issues with advanced. Doesn't seem to have a few problems. Still, move it around and you can rotate it, resize it, anything you do, stored away here. As it's text, it can be any size, any angle. But once you've done that, I'm going to remove it. Don't want it anymore. So let's just select that and delete. You need a layer, so layer and new layer. And then I can use the history panel. So I'm just going to select it. And it doesn't particularly matter the image that I'm just experimenting, randomly selecting. But you can also go down it and select and see what you might get later. I'll show you that in a sec. So edit and fill. Use history. And there you can see it. That was the design that was for that history state. And this is what I mean. You don't need to see it visually because all you need to do is just click here. And that is your visual display of what that image looked like at that point. And you can see any of those. Well, I'm just going to go apply. This is a pixel layer. It's not type. So if you try and edit it, you can't. You can edit it obviously using visual effects, filters, blur, Gaussian blur, anything like that. But you can't modify the text. That's frozen. But what you can also do is go here again. Click here. Again, not here. Click here. So you can see that's highlighted. Then edit and fill. And you can see again you've got that design. And again you can just run through it. Just, check which one you like. I think that one looks great. But also what you can do is you can use blend modes. So you've got that original image that you just had. Now you've got the history here and here, and because it's different, you can see both. And you can move that, you can see the design there, and you can click apply. And then you can repeat it. Now there's a shortcut. I'm just doing it by the menu, edit and fill. But you don't have to. You could use the shortcut, makes it even quicker. And again, you go through this, you don't have to use difference. Maybe go for overlay or screen. But I'm just going difference, it's probably the most high impact one. Again, you just go through these, and these are all my text. And so I can select that one, that one, that one, and you can see the result of that. And click apply. So you can build these up. Also, you'll notice you've got this text now, this design. Well, you can use this as a history as well. So again, I'm just going to go for filters, maybe go for distort, and maybe twirl. Let's just apply a twirl effect. Very quick twirl effect. Click there, maybe if filters, and you could use any of them. I'm just showing you, for example, click apply. Now I can use these. So edit and fill. Just click on those, and there you've got that text design that you just created. And you can run through these, select these, and that's combined with that twirl effect. You can see the twirl there just behind that. And of course, you can always go back to normal, just applying it as is. But you can also use darken, multiplies, lighten, and so on to create some interesting visual effects that way. And click apply. Exact same, edit and fill. Instead of lighten, maybe this time difference, but I can use a different one of these. And again, you can see it blends. Just try them, run through them. Go all the way back, and you could create maybe 200, 300 entries. And any of those you think, yes, that looks great, click apply, and so on. So you can build up and create all kinds of text imagery very, very quickly. And of course, combine it with imagery and other things as well. It's always possible. And of course you can distort this, you don't have to. You could use some of these tools and then work with that as well. And also apply some transforms. So you don't have to keep it like this. You can always right click, go down here, you've got transform, fairly limited selection, but flip horizontal. So you can flip it, you can see that again in the history, but again, edit and fill, and you can go and select this one, and you can see then you can combine that. And you create literally infinite amount of combinations of designs, and once you've got it, you can then use filters and other effects. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.